I can't believe I have these right now. I can't believe I'm opening this right now. Like, I'm so excited. Okay. Hello my beautiful queens and kings, it's your girl Queen C here, and I'm back with another video. This video was honestly a rush video. It's like, okay, I'm gonna do this, gonna do it now. As you can see by the title, this is a sneaker review, and this is my first time ever doing this. A disclaimer before I even continue, I'm not a sneakerhead, so I don't need y'all sneakerheads coming under my video and like, oh, you don't know anything, you don't know what you're talking about, stop. You stop, because I don't need none of that negativity, okay? Period. Okay? Okay. So when I say unboxing, this is literally unboxing because I have not opened it. This video is long overdue. I'm very sorry I'm late. It's been about almost, not quite, but almost a month since these sneakers have released. I know I'm like late to the party, but I mean, it's not a party without me, so yeah. A little bit of a backstory before I even continue doing the video. So when these came out, when they released on the Nike website, I was on it 10 a.m. on the dot. Went to click my size, put all my information in, my card information, my address, all of that, to tell me they denied me. So I didn't get it the day that it released. So I got these from StockX. So I hope that everything is in the package, the little sunshine, because I watch reviews, little sunshine paper that's on the top. I just really hope that everything is in the package. So if everything is in the package, thank you very much StockX, and thank you very much for the person who sent them out. Don't know who you are, but yeah. Okay. So we have the 2019 Cactus Plant Flea Market sneakers. Whoa! Whoa! Okay, so just from the top of the box, we have my receipt. Don't need that. We have a StockX sticker. Don't need it, but I will place it somewhere. And then we have extra pair of laces. Over it. Here we have it, ladies and gentlemen. Here we have it. Here. Oh my gosh. Wow. This is a beauty. Wow. Wow. I'm sorry, I just had to take a moment to like regroup and come back together because these are awesome. So let's just get straight into the review. Okay, so I'm going to be talking about each shoe individually, because if you guys don't know, each shoe, not meaning like each pair of sneakers, but each left and each right is different from one another. For example, the left side has a more green undertone, and the right side has a more gray undertone. So I'm going to be zooming in and you guys be able to see exactly what I'm talking about. I'll make a separate clip for that. However, the swoosh is 3D in both of them, and I have heard that the swoosh is made out of garden wiring, which is super dope. Also on the left side, we have the Just Do It in all black, and on the right side, we have the Just Do It in all white. I honestly think the white is way better because it obviously pops out more. Like I said, the Just Do It goes all the way around. It stops here at the swoosh, and it's in all black. The thing that I love about the Just Do It sign is that it's not imprinted on the shoe. It's actually in 3D, so you can feel the letters. And on the back of each sneaker, we have the Cactus Plant Flea Market symbol, which is the double-eyed smiley face. The laces on the sneakers are really thick. I didn't expect it to be that thick, but the laces are really thick. And the laces that it comes with is the all black with the silver, and the silver is actually reflective, but the laces that it comes with, the extra pair of laces, is brown with yellow, but it's not reflective. So I think I'm going to keep the black on it because I kind of like it, but I feel like the brown will give it a little bit more pop. So yeah. Anyways, let's get into the inside of the shoe. The soles. The sneakers have a topographic look on the soles. It says L for left, R for right. I'll show you guys a closer clip. The right side is blue going into red, and on the left side it's red going into blue. So like I said, the shoe is literally just mirroring each other, which is super dope, like super dope. On the tongue of the sneakers, we have the new Nike symbol, which is that orange check with the white Nike. The mesh material is not see-through as many of the new sneakers are. I've seen a lot of Nikes and some Adidas sneakers that are doing this see-through material, but the sneakers are not see-through, so you won't be able to see any type of socks that you wear with it. Now, for the part that I am most scared of is actually trying it on. I've heard that you should go a size up, a half size up. But I believe that it's true to size, but we're gonna see. We're gonna put these on. It's beautiful. I don't want to take it off. They fit literally true to size. Like, I could have gone a half size up. I'm being very honest. I could have gone a half size up, but it's not tight. Like, it doesn't feel like, okay, like I'm gonna have bunions after this. No, it literally fits true to size. Like, it's a perfect fit. So if you do plan on getting these, I suggest getting a half size up. So for my end review of these sneakers are really, I'm gonna keep saying this sneaker is really dope, and I feel like it's the best sneaker purchase I have made so far in 2019, and I hope I make great decisions like this, because this is a real one right here. Like I said, that concludes my video. Remember to like, comment, and subscribe. Comment if you guys think that this is a good cop. Comment if you guys would buy it, but do not comment saying negative things, okay? And I'll see you guys in my next video.